is coming in. The Narcotics Control Bureau is probing the Bollywood drug nexus, and as the probe gathers steam, we are now joined by actor-producer Yuvraj S. Singh. He's also a close friend of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Thank you so much, Yuvraj, for joining us here on the show. As we are all discussing about the prevalence of the drug culture, Bollywood seems to be split over it. There are many who are saying that just thali mein खाते हो उसी में छेद कर रहे हो if you are talking about the Bollywood drug nexus. Is there such nexus that you can tell us about, because you're part of the larger Bollywood ecosystem as well? Have you seen the prevalence of drugs?
Yes, hi, good morning to everyone. Yes, I have definitely seen all this happening for many years. I won't say it's just started. It's been around for too long to ignore. And now what's happening is that it's just taking a huge turn. And people are just, as I said in my few previous interviews, that people are doing drugs all the time. It's a part of socializing. It's a part of networking. It is a part of filming.
Who are these people, Sushant? Is it even Bollywood A-listers involved in it?
I mean, it has everybody. It has A-listers. It has people from creative backgrounds, people who are not in front of the camera as well. Even producers are involved, actresses are involved. I think it's a way things are working for a long time in the industry. And all I'm saying is we have to clean this up in terms of we can't defend it, you know. And why are the people not coming in front and defending it? Where are the big names, so-called social activists and so-called big speakers who keep tweeting all day? Where are they? So definitely there is.
Interestingly, yeah. Riya Chakravarti in her interrogation by the NCB has said that Sushant was habitual user of drugs. You were a close friend of him. Have you ever seen him abusing drugs?
No, never. I personally feel that he was quite a hardworking guy who was very fit, and you know, I always saw him in a very competitive kind of space. I never saw him ever doing drugs. You know, let me tell you, even in auditions, when you meet people who smoke or do drugs or whatever, you know, smoke up or whatever we say, they definitely use it there as well. You know, outside auditions and outside these so-called film and TV screen tests. Mm-hmm. So I've never seen him even smoke a cigarette really in front of me. I mean, I've seen him for almost 3.5, 4 years, and I've never seen him do anything like that.
And what about Riya Chakravarti and her brother Shovik, if you have been in touch with him?
No, Shovik I don't know. Riya I've bumped into a few times at Filmfare and these award functions and stuff. To be honest, I never got to know her that well in that way. But I mean, I didn't see her using drugs in front of me because I was in a public space with a lot of other actors and people. But I just feel that there are definitely more people behind this doing this all the time, and it has to stop. And I really don't agree with Mrs. Jaya Bachchan. She's totally doing a cover up. She is just not accepting the fact, because you see, she lives in a maze. Okay, she's Amitabh Bachchan's wife, so she thinks she can say anything. But there are people who are working in this industry at a lower level, at a mid-level, who are fighting for survival and are getting punished because of these bad habits by people.
It's really unfortunate, really. What Yuvraj tells us is that it's such a prevalent culture. It's there everywhere, even in auditions, even during shoots. It's everywhere, not just at parties. And this is the very disturbing bit, that what Yuvraj is telling us, and hopefully the Narcotics Bureau is going to crack down on this nexus and clean up Bollywood. That's all we want. Thank you so much, Yuvraj, for speaking to us here on Times Now. But without a short break, don't go anywhere.